Adobe InDesign is a pixel perfect page layout application. Now, what we've got in the document at the minute is a vector logo, and if I want to zoom into that now, I can do Command 4 on a Mac or Control 4 on Windows. Now, although it looked really good quality when we had the document fit page in window, as we zoom in, we'll see that the quality of it seems to have deteriorated and it looks kind of bitmapped or of low resolution. Now, I'm just going to zoom back out, which is Command 0 on a Mac or Control 0 on Windows. Do the same for the image. That exists as a JPEG in the links panel. Do Command 4 or Control 4 and you'll see the quality of the image there is of what seemingly is inferior quality. Now, if I was to export this as a PDF now, then with that in mind, even though I left it as what it displayed in InDesign as seemingly low quality, is high quality in the PDF. Now, by zooming to the image, then that is also high quality. Now, what that means is that if you left it in InDesign as it was, it just meant that if I zoom in, it displays in InDesign of looking low quality, but it exports as a PDF as high quality. Now, if you want to rectify this so that it will always display what seems to be high quality inside of InDesign, but also high quality in the exported PDF, just go to the View menu, Display Performance, and choose High Quality Display.